Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this BMW, and it can be quite confusing if you have it on split screen, which this is on split screen at the moment. So I'll show you what to do. Basically, you can either go into menu and go to telephone, or you can just click telephone, but we'll go into menu, click telephone. You can see there you've got Bluetooth devices. If I click on Bluetooth devices now, it just shows add new device or Barry's iPhone. And if I go down to Barry's iPhone, then click on it, nothing really will happen. If the phone's not there, it'll try to connect, but it can't connect. Now, the reason is, over here, we're on split screen. If I knock it over to split screen and just turn it down there, click on split screen. I don't want split screen. There's an arrow there. So I take split screen out. Now then, if it's gone back to my phone. It's a bit confusing this, but now if I click to the right, we've got a different menu. We can switch split screen back on, or we can go down here to remove device, click remove device, and that's the phone gone. So that's the way to do it. As I say, it is a bit confusing. If it's on split screen, it won't give you the menu to knock the phone out. So that's how you remove the mobile.